We will all take our seats. To formally open this celebration, may we call on Shekina Calbo, the proud cousin of our debutant, to give us the welcoming message.
A warm welcome to everyone gathered here tonight to celebrate Hannah's 18th birthday. It's a joy to see so many familiar faces as we mark this special milestone. In Hannah's life, the transition into adulthood. Let's make this night filled with laughter, love, and unforgettable memories as we celebrate Hannah's journey so far and look forward for the exciting adventures that lie ahead. Thank you for being here to share in this joyous occasion.
Thank you, Kina, for the welcome message. One of the highlights of this celebration is the tradition of what we call your 18 candles. It is a symbolic lighting of hope and guidance. The 18 candles ceremony represents the women in Hannah's life who have stood by her, cheered her on, and guided her. Each candle bearer will share a brief message, a memory, a wish, or a piece of advice, lightening her path with love. With Mama Mini.
Special person in my life. Happy 18th birthday, God. Wishing you that Almighty God blesses you that good heart and thank you so much for everything. I love you so much.
So next in line we have Lula and Fa Cordero.
Just feel alive. We keep this loving forever. We made these memories for us. Hearts and times were
Barangay Kagawad, Raymond Piolo. Let's give a round of applause. Have Tita Francisca Belhera.
Prepared na siya, prepared. Prepared na siya katama.
Okay, our 8th candle, we have Donna Belhera.
Happy birthday! Dada Magda, nag-yung crush lang.
So our 9th candle, we have Ma'am Fabi Merico.
Happy birthday, Ate Hannah. Wishing you all the best and
Our 10th candle, we have Ma'am Bebet Merico.
Happy birthday, Hannah. We will always be guided, blessed, and protected. More blessings and power to overcome life. God bless you. Happy birthday.
Our 11th candle, we have Mary Lee Ningal.
Hi Ga, happy birthday. Thank you for being a good and loving friend. Thank you for lending your money when our pockets empty. I hope you wouldn't change the way you are. And remember, if you're feeling down, we're here to cheer you up. You may not know this, but you always makes us happy when we're together. Laughing our ass loud, being crazy in public. Wishing you all the best in life. And again, remember that we're just here by your side, supporting you while achieving your dreams. Once again, happy birthday lang, Ga.
Our 12th candle, we have Rhea May Lilang.
Ano gusto na?
Ma-blow sa candle.
Hi, Labs. Happy 18th birthday. Thank you for being good and loving friend to me. Always remember lang na I'm here for you no matter what happened. Good luck sa journey mo. Again, happy birthday. Enjoy.
Our 13th candle, we have Jeneline Porcado.
Hi Hannah, happy birthday. Wishing all the best in life. You're not just my niece, but also my best friend. Whom I can want to win things that I hear. Always remember that I'm just here for you, always, no matter what. Just run to me if you think you can't handle it anymore. I love you and once again, happy birthday.
Our 14th candle, we have Rowena Aranian.
Happy 18th birthday to my third cousin Hannah. Today marks a major milestone in your life. May your adulthood be filled with excitement, personal triumphs, and happiness. Again, cheers to your 18th birthday.
So our 15th candle, we have Del Mariada.
Birthday, Hannah.
Prepare ka na sa...
Our 16th candle, we have Nelda Villes.
Happy birthday, Ana. Happy birthday. Ana, kapay pa nga dapat pa birthday na mo sa imo kabuhi. Enjoy your day and God bless you.
Our 17th candle, we have Erica.
Hi, Beth. Happy 18th birthday. Wish ko lang, good health forever ka. Enjoy your social day.
And last candle, our 18th candle, we have Mama Dory.
Ben, happy birthday. I love you so much. God bless.
So once again, our 18 candles. So wala gipalakpak. So thank you so much. So may I request our debutant to blow up your candles.
So siya lang makakuyot isa-isa. Siya lang makakuyot isa-isa.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday,
I-request ang ating nga 18 candles nga pagpabilin natin kay mapapicture. So wala gid may mapicture. Bakit ka photographer na for remembrance. Kita ng pesto.
Wala kang signal kawali.
Okay na, 1, 2, 3, smile.
Bakit?
Fred.
So thank you once again sa ating nga 18 candles. And now, let's turn up this celebration with a bold and exciting part of the night. It's time for our 18 shots. This segment is for fun, friendship, and of course, unforgettable memories. We've invited 18 special person in Hannah's life to raise a glass, take a shot, and share a quick message, memory, or even a funny wish. Starting with Tito Rondron.